about finding novel solutions that are not just new, but also relevant.
A way of working that I will apply in my job every day in the future.
I get to travel in different places. I get to meet lawyers, law firms, startup founders who want to develop and integrate technology. But before that, you need to know your clients, their needs and their desire.
Recommend anyone to check Legal Creatives because it was a blast. It's the best thing. It made me have a renovated taste for law.
Intense, fantastic days with a lot of inspiration on the theme of legal design, together with Tessa Manuelo, and I can't wait to actually do this again.
At the intersection of creative thinking, design thinking, exponential thinking, so you can develop the tools and you can acquire the strategies to stand out and become an authority in your market.